Welcome, dear students, to the Department of Chemistry in the subject of inorganic chemistry, that is CH502. Dear students, we are going to learn about unit second, that is modern theories of coordination compounds. Part A. Particularly, this unit including the isomerism, that is coordination isomerism, linkage isomerism, polymerization isomerism, and stereoisomerism such as geometrical isomerism and optical isomerisms. Now, the third one is the coordinate isomerism. In compounds, when both positive ion and negative ion, that is cation and anions, are complex ions, then this isomerism may be by the interchange of ligands between the two complex ions. Friends, these are the complex ions. This is CONH36 3 plus. This 3 plus is the complex ion, and here CrCN6 3 minus. This is also complex ion, and here COCN6 3 minus. This is also complex ions. CrNH36 3 plus. This is also complex ions. There is interchange of these complex ions between these two, and here CONH36 is plus 3. The complex charge is plus 3. When these ligands is exchanged here, this cyanide is exchanged here, this amine ligand goes here, and this cyanide ligands goes here. Thereby what happens? This charge is exchanged. This charge is exchanged, that is changes the charge. Here CO consists of 6 amine ligands, and here CO consists of 6 cyanide ligands. Therefore, due to these 6 cyanide ligands, the complex charge becomes minus 3, and due to these 6 amine ligands, the complex charge becomes plus 3. Here also in complex second, CrC2O4, that is oxalate ion. There are 3 oxalate ions. It is bidentate ligands. What is bidentate ligands? The ligand which consists 2 donor atoms is known as bidentate ligands. These bidentate ligands exchanged here, and these amine ligands also exchange here. Means both replace to each other. What happened due to these replacements? The complex charge, the chromium trioxalato chromium third has minus 3 charge here, and here this hexamine chromium third has 3 positive charge. What happened here? The complex charge is changed. Therefore, such types of isomerism is occur due to exchange of ligands. Due to exchange of ligands, there is exchange of complex charge. Due to this exchange of complex charge, it is known as coordinate isomerism. In the same case here, CuNH34 2 plus, PtCl4 2 minus. Here PtNH34 2 plus and CuCl4 is 2 minus. Now the next, coordination position isomerism. In polynuclear complexes, the same number of coordinated groups are arranged differently around the central metal ion, gives rise to these types of isomerisms. In polynuclear complexes, this is complex, but this complex is polynuclear. What is polynuclear? There are more than one metal ions. In central metal ions are more than 1, means there are 2 cobalts. ion. This one, this cobalt ion, and this one another cobalt. There are two cobalt ions. Around these two cobalt ions, there are different ligands. There are different ligands. These two hydroxide are bridging ligands, and these four NH3 are terminal ligands. Here two amine and two chlorides are terminal ligands attached to this cobalt. What happened within this coordination sphere? What is coordination sphere? A square bracket, under the square bracket, that complex is known as coordination sphere. Here there is exchange of ligands towards this cobalt ion, towards this cobalt ion. What happened? Here there are four amine ligands. Here there are three amine and one chloride. Here two amine and two chlorides. Here three amine and one chloride. Hence this balancing, because here three amine, here also three amine. Here one chloride, here also one chloride. But what happened here? Here four all amines ligands are one side of cobalt and another cobalt having two amines and two chloride ligands, terminal ligands. These are the terminal ligands attached to these cobalts, and these amines attached to these cobalts. These are the bridging groups, OH and OH. These are bridge between these two cobalts. This polynuclear complex, because there are more than one metal ions, hence it is known as polynuclear complex. Now the next isomerism is linkage isomerism or salt isomerism, or it is also known as structural isomerism. The ligand which consists two types of donor atoms so that they can link to the metal atom through one donor atom in one complex and through another donor atom in another complex. Then this gives rise to linkage isomerism. The best complex of such ligand is NO2-, which can coordinate through nitrogen or oxygen. Hence two isomers are obtained. If you consider this NO2 as a ligand, this NO2 attached to the metal ion through nitrogen atoms or through the oxygen atoms. Here these nitro groups attached through this nitrogen, and this nitro groups attached to these oxygens. Here oxygen donating atoms, here nitrogen donating atoms. Means in linkage isomerisms, the ligand can be attached to the metal ion through more than one atoms or different atoms. Other ligands showing linkage isomerisms are thiocyanate SCN- or thiosulfate S2O3-, cyanide ligand also. Here in complex CONH3,5NO2 Cl2, here this nitro group attached to this cobalt through these nitrogens. Hence it is simply write here NO2, because this NO2 group attached to this metal ion through the nitrogen. But here this NO2, it is also NO2 but shown here ONO. But here this NO2 group attached to this metal ion through these oxygens. Hence this NO2 group can link to this cobalt through oxygen or through the nitrogen. Hence it is known as linkage isomerism. In second complex, it is Cr, not Ct. CrH2O5 SCN and CrH2O5 NCS. It is thiocyanate group. SCN म्हणजे काय? Thiocyanate groups. These thiocyanate groups attached to this chromium through this sulfur. This thiocyanate group attached to this chromium through these sulfur atoms. While in the second complex, this is also thiocyanate, but it is known as isothiocyanate, because position of nitrogen is changed here, hence it is isothiocyanate. This isothiocyanate attached to this isothiocyanate attached to this chromium through this nitrogen to this chromium. Hence it is also known as linkage isomerism. Means these thiocyanate groups attached to either sulfur or either through these nitrogens. Now the next complex, COEN twice CN2 and COEN2 CN, it is also cyanide 2. Here this cyanide group attached to this cobalt through this carbon. These cyanide groups attached to this cobalt through this carbon, and here this cyanide attached to this cobalt through this nitrogen, Hence it is also known as linkage isomerism. Means this cyanide can link to this cobalt through this carbon or through these nitrogens. There are two linking atoms that can be through this ligand can be attached to this cobalt. Now the next is polymerization isomerism. This is not a real isomerism, but it occurs between the compound having the same empirical formula but different molecular weight. Thus, compound in which actual molecular composition are multiplies of the simple molecular arrangement are called as polymerization isomerism. Polymerization पुष्कळ होणे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन होणे. हियर सिंपल इम्पिरिकल फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे काय, इथं क्लोराइड आहे, इथं अमाइन आहे, इथं सुद्धा प्लॅटिनम आहे, परंतु सेम नंबर इथं नाही दिसणार तुम्हाला. नंबर काय वाढलेले आहे, इथं 2 प्लॅटिनम आहे, बरोबर आहे, इथं एकच प्लॅटिनम होतं, इथं 2 प्लॅटिनम झाले, इथं 2च अमाइन होते, इथं 4 अमाइन आहे, इथं 2 क्लोराइड होते, इथं 4 क्लोराइड आहे. म्हणजे काय, मल्टिप्लिकेशन झाले आहे. ह्या कंपाउंडचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन इथं झालेलं आहे. हियर सिंपल empirical formula, it is multiplies to gives these two complexes. Hence it is known as polymerization isomerism. In this way, the second complex we can see here, the CONH3 NO2 thys. Here in this complex there is only one cobalt. This cobalt multiplies by 2, hence there are 2 cobalt. There are 3 amine, here there are 6 amine. Here there are 3 nitro groups, here there are 6 nitro groups. Hence multiplication of this complex takes place, hence it is known as polymerization isomerisms. Now the B, stereoisomerism. What is stereoisomerism? The isomerism which arises due to different arrangement of atoms or groups in space in the molecules. These different arrangements are known as stereoisomers, and the phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism. There are 2 types of isomerism: geometrical isomerism and ऑप्टिकल आयसोमेरिझम. स्टेरिओ आयसोमेरिझम मध्ये काय असतं मित्रांनो, की फक्त जे ॲटम्स और ग्रुप जे असतात आजूबाजू त्यांची अरेंजमेंट बदललेली असते. काही ठिकाणी सीस, काही ठिकाणी ट्रान्स, बरोबर आहे. जॉमेट्रिकल आयसोमेरिझममध्ये आपण पाहणार आहे फक्त त्याची जागा बदललेली असते. स्टेरिओ आयसोमेरिझम. नाउ फर्स्ट जॉमेट्रिकल आयसोमेरिझम, द कंपाउंड हॅव्हिंग द सेम स्ट्रक्चर बट डिफरंट जॉमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप or ligands around the central metal ions gives rise to geometrical isomerism. Here the ligands occupy the position either adjacent to one another or opposite to one another, and this is known as cis form and trans forms respectively. Hence, this isomerism is also called as cis-trans isomerism. तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे की एकाच समजा स्क्वेअर प्लेनर जॉमेट्री असेल, एकाच बाजूला जर सारखे ग्रुप जर अटॅच झालेले असतील, शेजारी शेजारी जर सारखे ग्रुप असतील, त्याला सिस आयसोमर म्हणतो. आणि सारखे ग्रुप जर एकमेकांच्या अपोजिटमध्ये असतील तर त्याला पण ट्रान्स आयसोमेरिझम असं म्हणतो. Geometrical isomerism of compound with coordination number 4 and 6 is most important and is explained below. A. Geometrical isomerism in complex with coordination number 4. There are two possible geometries: tetrahedral complexes and square planar complexes. Suppose there is a coordination number 4, any complex having the coordination number 4. The geometry of that complex may be tetrahedral or square planars. Okay, now first the tetrahedral complexes. For tetrahedral complexes with coordination number 4, the geometrical isomerism is not possible because all four ligands are adjacent to one another and all four bond angles are the same, that is 100.5 degree, are not opposite one another. If you consider this geometry, this tetrahedral geometry, all these four ligands, here one ligand, second, third and fourth, all these four ligands are adjacent to each other. सगळे एकमेकांना शेजारी आहे. हा याच्या शेजारी आहे, हा याच्या शेजारी आहे, हा याच्या शेजारी आहे, याच्या शेजारी हा आहे, याच्या शेजारी हा आहे, याच्या शेजारी हा सुद्धा आहे, सगळे एकमेकांच्या शेजारी. इफ यू कन्सिडर दिस ligands neighbor to this ligand neighbor to this ligand also neighbor to this. All ligands are neighbor to each other. Therefore, there is no possibility of geometrical isomerism in tetrahedral complexes because all the position of ligands are adjacent to each other. एकमेकांच्या शेजारी आहे म्हणून टेट्राहेड्रल जॉमेट्री पॉसिबल नाही. सॉरी, जॉमेट्रिकल आयसोमेरिझम पॉसिबल नाही टेट्राहेड्रल कॉम्प्लेक्सेसमध्ये. And if we consider the square planar complexes with coordination number 4, in square planar complexes, geometrical isomerism is very common. This type of complexes shows cis-trans isomerism as follows. Now, first complex, if you consider the first type, MA2B2, means here central metal ions M and A and B are the ligands. There are 2A and there are 2B ligands. There are 4 ligands, 2A and 2B. There are 4 ligands attached to this metal ions. Here metal M is the metal ion while A and B are the unidentate ligands. For example, PtCl2 NH3 twice. What is the name of this complex? PtCl2 NH3 twice diamine dichloroplatinum second. Diamine dichloroplatinum second. If you consider the geometrical arrangement of this square planar complex, this is square planar geometry, प्लेन आहे आणि स्क्वेअर मध्ये म्हणून याला स्क्वेअर प्लेनर geometry असं म्हणतात. Here M is at the center and these are the ligands A, B, B, B. Here this A and this A are adjacent to each other or neighbor to each other. Therefore, this is cis form. These B also adjacent to each other. It is known as cis forms. Here, if you consider this B and this B and A and this A are opposite to each other. Both A and B are opposite to each other. Hence, it is trans isomerism. Here, the example given, that is diamine dichloroplatinum seconds. Here, if we consider this platinum is at the center, and this chloride and this chloride, both these chloride ions are adjacent to each other. Both these amines are also adjacent to each other. Therefore, this complex is cis complex or cis isomer or cis forms. Here, both amine and chlorides, similar groups are trans to each other. Both these amines are trans to each other, and both these chloride also trans to each other. Therefore, this complex is known as trans complex or trans isomers. Now, the second type, MABCD. There are four different types of ligands, A, B, C, D. Here M is central midline. These types of complex exhibit following three possible isomers, and in their structure, the shown figure is, for example, PT, NH3, Cl, Br and Py. What is the name of this complex? Here we have to name first, while naming we have to name first the ligand names. सुरुवातीला कोणाचे नाव घ्यायचे आहे आपल्याला, लिगँडचे. परंतु हे लिगँडचे नाव घेताना आपल्याला ते अल्फाबेटिकली घ्यावं लागते. काय अल्फाबेटिकली घ्यायचं. हे सगळे लिगँडचे नाव घेतल्यानंतर सर्वात शेवटी मेटल घ्यायचं आहे, आणि मेटलच्या नंतर त्याची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट, त्या मेटलांची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट, चार्ज. हियर if you alphabetical consider this, amine come first, A, alphabetically A come first, thereafter B, that is bromine, thereafter chlorine, C, and thereafter this pyridine. Hence, amine, bromo, chloro, pyridine, platinum second. The oxidation state of this platinum is second because these chloride and bromides are negatively charged species. Both minus charges of these chloride and bromides get neutralized by 2 plus charges of this platinum. Hence, the oxidation state of this platinum is +2. Now here it is given here A, B, C, E. बरोबर आहे. Here A, B, C, E. A, B, D, C. Hence, three types of isomers are obtained in such cases. Now, C type, Ma2BC. Ma2BC. This square planar complex of these types shows cis trans isomers in which one of the ligand is neutral ligand and remaining ligands are simple ligands, are simple anionic ligands particularly. Here PDNH3 twice ClBr. What is the name of this complex? Diamine bromochloro palladium second, palladium fourth. Palladium 0 here, wrong. This complex charge wrongly placed here. Okay. It gives two types of isomers, cis and trans isomers. M, B, C, A. Both A, meaning these amines are similar groups. Both amines can be placed at this here, at these places. Here both amines trans to each other. Therefore, these trans compounds, both amines are adjacent to each other. Therefore, these cis isomers. Now, the next is MAB twice. MAB twice. In types of complexes, C trans forms containing asymmetrical bidentate ligands such as glacinato. This glacinato group having two donor atoms. One is oxygen and another is nitrogen. This glacinato group is bidentate ligands. Because these glacinato groups attach to these nitrogens or to these oxygens in this way. Here the complex CuGly twice means di. What is the name of this compounds bis, there are two glycine groups, hence bis, we can call it bis glycinato copper second, bis glycinato copper second. Here this is one glycinato groups and this is another glycinato groups. These glycinato groups attached to this oxygen and nitrogen. There are two donor atoms in the same ligand. There are two donor atoms in this same ligand. Here also there are two donor atoms in the same ligands. These ligands attached to this platinum through these two donor atoms. Hence it is bidentate ligand. It is also bidentate ligands. It is cis form. Why it is cis form? Here this oxygen and this oxygen are similar groups which are adjacent to each other. Here also this NH and this NH groups are similar groups, both are adjacent to each other. Therefore it is cis form. But here this oxygen and these oxygens are opposite to each other. Therefore this complex is trans complex or trans isomers. These amines and these amines are also trans to each other. Now the geometrical isomerism in coordination complexes of coordination number 6. Geometrical isomerism in complexes of coordination number 6. Coordination number 6 म्हणजे काय? There are 6 ligands attached to this cobalt. What is coordination number? What is coordination number? Number of ligands attached to this metal ion. What are number? There are 6. There are 6 number. Means there are 6 ligands attached to this cobalt. Hence it is octahedral complex. It is also known as octahedral complexes. The complex having the coordination number 6 possesses octahedral geometry and also exhibit geometrical isomerism. For example, tetraamine dichlorocobalt third, tetraamine dichlorocobalt third oxidation state of this cobalt is 3 plus 3, hence it is cobalt third. It gives cis and trans isomers. It gives cis and trans isomers. What happened? Both these chlorides are adjacent to each other. Therefore, it is cis isomers. While here, this chloride and these chlorides are opposite to each other. Therefore, it is trans isomer. It is trans isomers. Now, the optical isomerism. The substance which can rotate the plane of polarized light are called optically active. The isomers of compounds when rotate the plane of polarized light equally but in opposite directions then are called enantiomers. However, the isomer which rotate the plane of polarized light to the right is called dextro-right rotatory and denoted by D, and to the left is called leo-rotatory denoted by L. The D and L isomers are mirror image of each other. This isomerism is possible only when the molecules should be asymmetric so that it exists in two forms which are mirror images of each other. For example, CrNH3 twice Cl2. Here in optical isomerism, first what is optically active compounds? Optically active एखादा compound का असतो किंवा याला ऑप्टिकली ॲक्टिव्ह कंपाऊंड का म्हणतात की एखादा कंपाऊंड प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट, प्लेन म्हणजे काय तर प्लेन मधला पोलराइज लाईट plane of polarized light when rotates either in right side or either in left side. कुठल्याही साईडला रोटेट होत असेल प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट कुठल्याही साईडला रोटेट होत असेल तर तो कंपाउंड काय असतो ऑप्टिकली ॲक्टिव्ह कंपाउंड असतो. जर प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट जर रोटेट नाही झाला लेफ्टला किंवा राईटला रोटेट नाही झाला तर तो ऑप्टिकली इनॲक्टिव्ह कंपाउंड असतो. समजा प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट लेफ्ट साईडला रोटेट झाला तर त्याला लिओरोटेटरी सबस्टन्स असं म्हणतात आणि इट इज डोनेटेड बाय एल. समजा प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट राईट साईडला रोटेट झाला त्याला डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी म्हणतात आणि इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द डी. डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी म्हणजे काय प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट हा राईट साईडला रोटेट होतो त्याला डेक्स्ट्रोरोटेटरी म्हणतात आणि प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइज लाईट लेफ्ट साईडला रोटेट होतो त्याला लिओरोटेटरी सबस्टन्स असं म्हणतात. अँड सच टाइप्स ऑफ आयसोमेरिझम is possible when there is asymmetrical arrangement of ligands. If you consider both these complexes, suppose this is mirror, both are mirror images of each other. If you consider this chloride are mirror image of each other. This chloride and these chlorides are a mirror image of each other. This iron and this iron are mirror image of each other. This iron and this iron also mirror image of each other. Means both this complex and this complex are mirror image to each other. Hence it gives DL forms or DL isomers. The same way here CO, En, Cl2 and NH3 twice. It also gives mirror image of each other. It also gives this complex is mirror image of this and this complex mirror image of this, like left hand palm म्हणजे हाताचा जो पंजा असतो लेफ्ट हँडचा हा मिरर इमेज आहे कोणाचा राईट हँडचा. दोघं काय एकमेकांच्या मिरर इमेज आहे म्हणून याला mirror images of each other असं म्हणतात. Now the same way triaxylato chromate third, here these complex mirror images of this. We consider this OX group, these OX groups are mirror images to each other. These OX are also in mirror image to each other. This OX and this OX also mirror image to each other. It also gives DL isomers. In this way, we have learned about the geometrical isomerism, stereoisomerisms. Now, we will see the next topics of the same unit. Until, stay safe, use mask, use sanitizers and keep social distance. Goodbye.